Apple fans, brace yourselves because the game is about to change. The AirPods Pro 3 are not just coming, they're storming in to redefine what wireless earbuds can do in 2025. Imagine a world where your earbuds don't just play music, they monitor your health, translate languages in real time, and adapt to your surroundings like a personal audio assistant. Sounds futuristic? Well, the future is knocking. It's wearing AirPods. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated AirPods Pro 3, arguably Apple's boldest leap in wireless audio too. It's been almost 3 years since the last Pro model, and fans have been waiting with high expectations. Unlike the minor refresh we saw with the AirPods 4 in 2024, the Pro 3 is shaping up to be a complete overhaul from the inside out. We're talking smarter tech, futuristic features, and a design that screams premium. So let's unpack everything we know so far. First off, this isn't just another product in Apple's lineup. It's a strategic move, with companies like Sony, Samsung, and Google pushing hard in the premium audio space. Apple needs to not just compete, but lead. And from what we've seen, they're doing exactly that. The AirPods Pro 3 is rumored to bring cutting-edge noise cancellation, personalized AI audio tuning, and health monitoring features that go beyond what any earbud has done before. Let's start with the design. One of the biggest visual shifts may be the removal or shortening of the iconic stem, giving it a more compact, ergonomic shape inspired by the AirPods. For it's expected to feel more comfortable for long-term wear and look sleeker than ever. On top of that, Apple is reportedly replacing the older force sensor with a capacitive touch surface, so instead of awkward pinching, you'll now be able to swipe or tap with ease. And yes, we might finally get AirPods in matte black, space gray, or even midnight blue. About time, right? But the biggest upgrade might be internal, the debut of the new H3 chip. This chip is expected to bring major improvements across the board. Faster pairing, lower latency, longer battery life, and better responsiveness to Siri commands. But here's where it gets futuristic. The H3 may use AI to adjust your sound based on where you are, what you're doing, or what you're listening to. That means smarter transitions, smoother performance, and a more tailored listening experience. Add in enhanced Bluetooth capabilities like La Audio or Bluetooth 5.4, and you're looking at seamless switching between devices and superior audio fidelity. Speaking of audio, the AirPods Pro 3 could take active noise cancellation to a whole new level. Apple already leads in ANC, but a new smart ANC mode is rumored to use machine learning to adapt in real time to your surroundings. Imagine your AirPods knowing when to cancel background noise and when to let in human speech without you lifting a finger. Plus, a new focus mode could allow you to block out everything except voices, which is perfect for studying or working in busy environments. Say goodbye to distractions, and maybe even your noisy coworker. But what really sets this model apart is Apple's push into health tech. AirPods Pro 3 might offer medical-grade hearing aid functions, including real-time speech enhancement, custom audiograms, and possibly even fall detection via motion sensors. Integrated with Apple Health, these earbuds could help you track your hearing over time or detect early signs of hearing loss. It's not just smart, it's potentially life-changing. Who knew earbuds could become mini wellness devices? And now, for something truly mind-blowing, real-time translation. Yep, thanks to on-device AI and cloud integration, the AirPods Pro 3 might be able to translate conversations live. Imagine speaking with someone in another language and having your AirPods handle the translation. No apps, no screens, just natural dialogue. This would pair beautifully with the upcoming Siri 2.0 and iOS 19, which promise to be faster, more intelligent, and even capable of working offline. At that point, we're not just talking about earbuds, we're talking about your personal global assistant. Let's not forget the case either. Apple rarely leaves it untouched, and the AirPods Pro 3 charging case could get some serious upgrades. A built-in speaker for Find My Alerts, a magnetic latch, USB-C, faster wireless charging, possibly even reverse charging from the iPhone 17 or iPad Pro M5. That's a lot of tech in your pocket. As for battery life, we're expecting 7 to 8 hours of listening on a single charge. With the case extending it up to 30 to 35 hours, great news for travelers and people who wear their AirPods all day long. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Rumors suggest the Pro 3 will launch at around $199, making it Apple's most expensive earbuds yet. That's a $50 jump from the previous model, and not everyone is thrilled. Some fans argue it's getting too pricey, while others believe the health features, AI smarts, and premium build justify the increase. Whether it's justified or not, one thing's clear. People are going to have strong opinions the moment pre-orders open. Those wait lists could be long, so should you upgrade? If you're still using the original AirPods Pro or skipped the second gen, this is a no-brainer. Even if you have the Pro 2, the combination of AI-driven sound, smarter ANC, and health tools might make it worth the jump, especially if your current pair is showing battery wear. The AirPods Pro 3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a full reimagining of what earbuds can be. In the end, Apple is making a bold statement. The AirPods Pro 3 aren't just another accessory. They're part of a broader vision for the future of wearable tech. With AI health and seamless integration at the core, Apple isn't just competing with Sony and Samsung. They're aiming to make the smartest, most capable earbuds on the market. And if even half these rumors come true, the AirPods Pro 3 could set a new gold standard not just for Apple users, but for the entire industry. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more deep dives just like this. Drop a comment below. What feature are you most excited about? And while you're here, check out our full breakdown of the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the latest on the Apple Watch Ultra. 3 boths linked right here on the end screen. I'll see you in the next video.